Hello kids, let's start with our history subject, chapter 8, An Idle Ruler. Let's begin. Before the foundation of Swaraj, Maharashtra was under the domination of the Adil Shahi, Siddhi, Portuguese and Mughal powers. Shivaji Maharaj struggled against these powers. He faced all kinds of adverse circumstances. He founded an independent and sovereign Swaraj. Sovereign means free, independent. He set up a system for the administration of this Swaraj. He turned Swaraj into a Saurajya, a kingdom that sought the welfare of all. Maharaj created a new order with his capability. In the course of the conflict for the founding of the Swaraj, he himself had to face many grave dangers. Maharaj inspired the people around him to work for the Swaraj. His organizational skill was unparalleled. Unparalleled means exceptional, unique. With this skill, he drew around himself brave people who were also extremely loyal. These close associates of Maharaj performed their duty even by risking their own lives. There are many instances of this in the foundation of the Swaraj, Jiva Mahala, who killed the Bada Sayyid at a critical moment during the meeting with Afzal Khan. Caring for the right. While establishing the Swaraj, Maharaj had to constantly struggle against his enemies. His subjects suffered due to enemy inventions. Invention means to attack. At such time, Maharaj used to take utmost care to protect the right. Right means an Indian farmer. At the time of Shaisa Khan's campaign, Maharaj warned the Deshmukh of the Rohida Valley not to fail in his duty towards the riot. He told Deshmukh to visit every village and shift people to a safe place down the ghats. Maharaj maintained a strict discipline in the army. He was particular about paying the salaries to the army in time. He made arrangements to pay the salaries the soldiers in cash. In various kingdoms in medieval India and elsewhere, there was a system of making payments to soldiers in the form of jagirs. Maharaj set the practice aside. There was a strict order to the army that any valuable collected during the campaigns in enemy territories were to be deposited with the government. Maharaj had to struggle against the enemies, the Adil Shah, the Mughals and the Siddhi. They were Islamic powers. While Maharaj struggled against them, he considered the Muslims in the Swaraj as his own subjects. At the time of the meeting with Afzal Khan, Siddhi Ibrahim was a trusted servant in his army. Siddhi Hilal was a Sardar in the army of Maharaj. Daulat Khan was an important officer in the navy of the Swaraj. The efforts that Maharaj made to establish the Swaraj, it is the value of freedom. He aimed at establishing and maintaining the independent and sovereign existence that did not accept the dominance of any other power. While struggling against the foreign powers, Maharaj inspired others too for freedom. When Chhatrasai, who was in the service of the Mughals, came to see Maharaj, Maharaj inspired him to create an independent kingdom in Bundelkhand. Maharaj established Swaraj while fighting against many enemies. This action itself proves that he was a pioneer of a new era. Pioneer means to be first one to discover. But besides this action, many other noble qualities are found in his personality. Maharaj was very intelligent. He has mastered many arts. He was conversant with many languages and script. That means having knowledge of The teachings of his parents towards the establishment of Swaraj and ethics were deeply instilled in his mind. Deeply instilled, firmly established. There was a blend of character and strength, nobility and valor in his personality. He used to punish those severely who would misbehave with women. He used to take care of all sections of the society like farmers, craftsmen, soldiers, traders, merchants, etc. He used to harbor the same respect for people of other religions that he had for people of his own religion without any discrimination. He even established family bonds with them. When there were threats to Swaraj, he would face them with or without his associates. Due to this, even his associates were ready to sacrifice their lives for Swaraj. Of course, his greatness was not confined to the quality of facing calamities bravely and fearlessly. He wanted to have an ethical, qualitative base to the Swaraj. In his struggle for equality, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule described in his Paudas the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj. Lokmanya Tilak brought about national awakening through the medium of Shivaji Jayanti celebrations. Lala Lajpat Rai has written a book about the greatness of Maharaj. The great Tamil poet Subramaniam Bharti has written a poem about an imaginary incident in which Shivaji Maharaj talked to his associates. All Indian language have work that talk about him, an idle worker. Future generation too will continue to look upon this work of Shivaji Maharaj of founding the Swaraj and turning it into Swarajya as a source of inspiration, as an idol or as an idol ruler. Shivaji Maharaj was a great national hero.